Welcome to our channel where you get expert opinions and reviews. In this video, we are going to compare Philips espresso machine and Mueller premium espresso machine side by side to see which one is the best. If you want to see more such videos, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Both machines have different price tags, with Philips priced at $899 and Mueller Premium Espresso machine priced at $399. If you are on a tight budget, then Mueller Premium Espresso machine is a smart choice. Philips has an intuitive TFT display with icons, which makes it easier to customize the length, strength, and temperature of your coffee, as compared to Mueller Premium Espresso machine, which has easy-to-use level knob selector to cycle through the options. Philips provides 2 user profiles to save your favorite coffee settings. Philips espresso machine has unique aroma extract system, which maintains optimal temperature and ensures the perfect aroma and crema, whereas Mueller Premium Espresso machine has conical burr grinder, which adjusts the grind settings to create uniform ground coffee in single or double batches. Both machineries create a delicious and rich taste with 15 bars pressure pump. Philips feature a Latte Go system, which creates silky, smooth froths and also comes with a fast and clean milk system. Mueller Premium Espresso machine, on the other hand, has an integrated steamer, which helps froth milk on their own. Both machines give a cafe-quality classic espresso, Americano, cappuccino, and many more. Philips is more convenient in operation and cleaning. So, which one is the best espresso machine for you? It all depends on your individual preference and requirements. Philips is ideal for those who prefer more customization and convenience, while Mueller is perfect for budgets as they are economical in price. If you have used any of these products before or have any other thoughts or comments, let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.